So we've established that your MSP is under attack, constant attack, from the 10 horsemen of the margin apocalypse. Your tech stack is a haunted house, and your team, they're armed with sporks. It's not looking good. It's a grim picture. And right now you're probably thinking, well, hold on, we have automation. We've got scripts, we've got some RPA, and we have iPaaS too, right? Well, yeah, sure, you're not wrong. But what you really have is a bunch of very talented musicians all playing in an orchestra without a conductor. Your RMM is playing death metal, your PSA is playing a bit of smooth jazz, and your security tools, well, they're just screaming, to be honest with you. It's chaos, is it not? Now, let's be real for a second about why those scripts stall. See, as you know, scripts are like a digital spell that only one wizard in your team knows how to cast. They're inconsistent, they're pretty tribal knowledge, and they have absolutely no governance whatsoever, or at least very, very little. Then you've got RPA, which is basically just a screen-scraping robot, which pretty much has a panic attack every time a developer decides to change the color of a button on the desktop. It is powerful, but it's unbelievably brittle. And your iPaaS? Well, it is a super smart courier, for example, that delivers a package, but it refuses to wait and see if that package is actually signed for. It passes data from A to B, but it stops before the most critical steps, those being verification and evidence. In essence, it doesn't finish the job. And all of these tools leave you with last mile breakdowns, and your engineers sadly become the human glue that holds it all together, usually at 2 in the morning, or 3, or 4, or all night. So like I said before, what you're missing is the conductor. You're missing the execution layer. This is your intelligent layer that sits across your entire stack, and it follows a simple 5-step model for getting work done properly. It goes event, decision, action, verification, and evidence. Think about this. An event happens, a predictive alert from a monitoring tool. The decision is made by an AI agent that interprets the alert and matches it to a run bug. An action is orchestrated. It tells your RMM to execute a patch and your ITSM to document the step. But now here's the magic part that other tools tend to miss. Verification. It checks to see if the action actually worked. Did the patch apply? Is the service back online? It closes the loop. And then finally, evidence. It bundles up every log, every approval, every result into an immutable audit trail, and then attaches that audit trail to the ticket. So it isn't about ripping out your entire stack and replacing the entire thing. It's more of a coexistence first approach. The execution layer is designed to orchestrate your PSA and your RMM and all your other tools, making the millions you've already invested in them finally work in harmony. Here's the bottom line. Your current stack is great at logging the work, but an execution layer ensures that the work is finished, verified, and auditable. It is what I would call the missing brain for your tech stack's body. So, make sure you're subscribed, because now we know what the execution layer is. Our next episode is about the glorious result of having one, monetizing automation, and how to stop giving your best work away for free.